Hi there. Today is the happiest moment of my life. After a long time, I have a live interaction with my children from Tamil Nadu. My sons and daughters, they have joined GVKMRI with a passion and love to save life. I congratulate all of you. You have chosen one of the best professions on earth because you are going to save lives. Anybody can do anything, but nobody can give life. So all my respected sons and daughters, you deserve our best appreciation and best motivation to become one of the perfect emergency medical technician. So your dignity lies in learning the subject well. And some of my daughters told, be a good practitioner. Learning is knowing, but doing is the most important thing in life. So what I advise you, you have the power of the brain, and I have told you in my previous lecture, you belong to a land where Nobel laureate Sir C.V. Raman was born, when the great satellite man APJ Abdul Kalam was born, where the great last Governor General of India Chakrabarti Raj Gopalachari was born, and so many millions of great Tamils, film stars, politicians, and all these great people were born. You have similar caliber and capability. You have to use that talents, that is your brain power. Anybody can achieve anything in life if they use their brain power. We are not cattle, we are human beings, but our greatness means the ability to serve depends on how much you are using our brain. You don't judge yourself by what post you are holding. You judge yourself by how honest and sincere you are in discharging your responsibility and duties as EMTs. There is your greatness. We all cannot become Prime Minister, Presidents. We all cannot become Chairman and Directors. We all cannot become what others are there. But we can become what we are. We are warrior. We are frontline heroes. We are there in the every street where there is emergency, and we are there to save lives. And if we do justice to our profession, we are really wonderful. These handsome boys, they look superstars, but their real stardom lies in discharging their duties and responsibilities. So this is only my request to you, my children. Be very honest, learn your subject, become theoretically very strong and practically very perfect, and you are a great Indian, you are a great Tamilian. Dignity lies in our how sincerely we are serving our motherland in the capacity of a emergency medical technician. This small video, what I am making, is a memory for us, and that will be sent to our Honorable Chairman, Sir, Maharatna Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, and our EMLC Director, Dr. Ramna Rao, Sir, because this is the responsibility they have given to me. And I am so much grateful to Honorable Chairman, Sir, Maharatna Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, and Honorable Director, EMLC, Dr. Ramna Rao, Sir, that they really gave me this responsibility to motivate you, to inspire you, to ignite the fire in you, to let you know your power of your brain. Whatever your brain can conceive and believe, the brain can achieve for you. I am trying to make you a superhuman being by supremely charging your brain power. Never have any kind of inferiority complex. Believe in yourself. Have self-reliance, self-confidence. Your everything is lie in your discharging your duties. How beautifully you are discharging your duty, that become your characteristics, your attributes, and your responsibility. Had this opportunity could not be given to me, I being an IITian, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, all the IITs, I could not be dealing with the doctors and medical professions. But the trust of our chairman, sir, and the belief of EMLC Director Dr. Raman Rao, I am before you. I could be teaching you medical science also. But when I joined GVKMRI As a trainer, Honorable Dr. Ramana Rao sir told, what you will do, you are having engineering background, a physics background. I told sir, I was not born with any knowledge. My brain was empty. Whatever I am feeling in my brain, that I am mastering. So I have the belief and confidence, the courage and conviction to become the master of my faith and master of any subject. Tell me what I can do for you. I can teach medical sciences because that was a responsibility assigned to me by my honorable chairman, sir. He told me, Virender, he loves me and he called me Virender. Virender, you go and teach all my children their medical profession and learn a new subject also. But Honorable Raman Rao sir tell, no. There are a lot more people who can do this job. But you do the job of Vivekananda. You do the job of Gautama, Siddhartha, Buddha and Jesus. Tell everyone to love. Love yourself first. Learn yourself first. And become a great human being. Being Mashiach. Save life. That motivation, that encouragement can make our children supremely charged human beings. People work for money most of the time. Money is very important. We are living in the material world. Without money we cannot survive. But what I am teaching you children today, love your job, love your profession. In your capacity, within your control is how good service you can render. You cannot really create money for yourself. It is the responsibility of the higher authority, the agency who is running such kind of organization. But in your hand is everything. How honest you are, how sincere you are, how committed you are, how dedicated you are, what best you can do, being an EMT or whatever, to your responsibility and duty. That is within our limit. That I am teaching. Be very honest, be very sincere, be passionate. That was the lesson I was taught by Dr. Raman Rao sir. Make our children passionate. They should have love for the patients to save their life. And once you save the life, how a great work you have done. I'm not going to teach you how many calamities and how many kind of maladies will be there. The accidents, the snake bite, the drowning, the heart attack, the suicide. There are multiple problems human beings are facing. So I'm teaching you, go as a Messiah, go as a God and save their lives. Passion, love for people, love for humanity, philanthropic activities. GVK is not a profit-making sentence. It is to save life, and that is philanthropic. Out of love, affection, compassion, and kindness, we are in this profession. Of course, without money, we cannot be very happy. Money has also to come to us. But within the limitation, we are not earning. It is not industry. There is a limited fund coming from different systems. So at least we are getting some job. But more than money, we are getting more satisfaction, saving lives. And I conclude by thanking the management of GVKMRI, our honorable director, Dr. Krishna Raju sir, who is our director here, total administrator, everything governed by him, and EMLC director, Dr. Raman Rao sir, and above all, the caretaker of all of us, the chairman sir, Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, the pride of the mankind and the humanity, a philanthropic person. Dear friends, the last word. You must have heard the name of J.F. Kennedy. There was a great president of America who was assassinated. Evils and devils are everywhere. He assassinated J.F. Kennedy, John F. Kennedy. And when he was addressing to the first presidential address, he said, ask not what the nation can do for you. Ask not what the nation can do for you. Ask yourself what you can do for your nation. So my beloved sisters and brothers, daughters and sons, what I share with you, ask not what GVKMRI can do for you. Ask yourself what I can do for GVKMRI as EMT. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.